Single arm kettlebell walking lunges. Start with your feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Inhale as you raise the weight above your head. Keep the weight directly overhead and centered between your shoulder joints. Do 10 reps, then switch sides and repeat the same number of reps with the other leg step forward. Wall ball throws, 20 reps. Holding the ball with both hands just under the chin against your chest, take a squat with your feet shoulder width apart. Stand straight, keeping your legs straight. As you do this, throw the ball up. 20 cal row. Start the drive by pressing with your legs, then swing back through the vertical position before finally adding the arm pull. Once your hands have cleared your knees, allow your knees to bend and gradually slide the seat forward on the monorail. Repeat. 100-meter run. At the start of your sprint, keep your strides short and quick. Lengthen your strides as you gain speed and momentum. 40-meter sled push. Make sure you keep your arms straight and your abdominals engaged for this one. Drive your hips and legs as best as you can.